Usually I rate your airports, but now it is time to review my own airport. So here we are at my airport. I have my camera and my microphone and I'm just going to show you around and I'm going to tell you everything about it. Please mind my voice, I've been ill. I am quite critical, definitely on myself, so don't expect much good on my airport. Okay, let's just move from front to back, starting in the front. In the corner here we have a road with cars, but the cars, like these guys just had an accident. Plus, there is dust. See what happens when I go over it with my finger. You see? That's dust. So yeah, the road is one point that should be paid attention to. Also, there is not really a barrier or a fence between the road and all the aircraft. Probably the reason why those cars are blown over. So that's something that should be added as well, as a form of safety, of course. Heading over to the terminal, I think it looks quite good. The lighting isn't really spread, it comes out from the middle, but on the sides it's very, very dark. And if we go to the other side of the terminal, there is absolutely nothing. So I should add a road or something that fills this part up. Also, here is a white box, but it doesn't really have a purpose, so that's something to keep an eye on as well. And there is a road here. I don't know where it's going, but it doesn't really continue. So the road needs to be extended. Probably to the ILS poles that are here, but the wind has blown them over or something. So they should be put up again. And when we move a bit to the right, yeah, 2 lights are missing. Those are these yellow lights, but for some reason they are not in the airport. I have just pushed them out someday, but I will take them back. I will put them back. Okay, whilst we're already here, we can talk about the runway. Yeah, I think the markings are too fat. Definitely the outer lines, they can be much thinner. So yeah, maybe I should just redo the whole runway and just remove all the current paint and do it all again. Give it a new look. Okay, next part we're going to move to is this terminal, and we're going to start at this left part. First point of attention. This light isn't working. The others are, but that one for some reason isn't. Should be fixed. For the rest, I honestly think this part isn't too bad. I think I should add taxiway outlines to all the lines here. Those white markings should be removed. But for the rest, it isn't too bad. Here we have a bus stop to the side. Honestly, the big terminal isn't too bad either. I believe I can add more ground markings to make it more detailed. I can add fuel points in the ground. I should add text to where different aircraft can stop at the gate. Also, I should add gate numbers to the taxiways so the pilots know where to turn for their gate. And some of the jet bridges have been invisible, so I must make them visible again. Note, I do have GSE, like a lot. I just don't want to spend very much time putting it all down, because I'm going to remove the GSE later anyway for some maintenance. Yeah, that's the big terminal. Not too much to worry about actually. Next up, the hangars. They will be taken care of. I have something planned, don't you worry, because they should be replaced. They are just a few pieces of paper. I cannot leave them here like this. Plus, they are way too small. Like, here is an A350 in the hangar. Like, it will never fit. Never ever. So, I need new hangars, but don't you worry. Yeah, so that's like the big part of the airport. Then the other part, it has way more things that should still be done. Starting with the cargo section. Firstly, taxiway outlines. They are still missing, should be made. Just as gate numbers, at these arrows there should be gate numbers. Here the gates also don't have the names for the different airplanes where they stop, so should add that. Fuel points in the ground, also not added. Here is the terminal. I don't have lights in the terminal, I need to make that. And the road just stops there. And on the other side it also just stops. I want to connect the two roads together through the terminal. Moving to the final part of the airport is the military section. I actually only have the lights installed and for the rest absolutely nothing. So I'm going to talk you through what should be added and changed. Well, first of all, the row of trees here, it's caught by a really bad storm, I think, so might be a wise idea to put them upright again. Also, I want to make a better barrier between the passenger section and the military section. I need to add ground markings because they stop over there and they don't continue on to the military section. Also, where the Qatar is standing, I want a military hangar. And the great thing here is a blast fence, and I want a red and white blast fence all over that side of the military section. For the rest, I am just looking around, but I cannot seem to think of anything more to say or tell you about my airport, except for the fact that there is still so much to add still. Just one big renovation. So yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do next. One more thing, you see all those flowers there on the grass? I want to add flowers everywhere to the grass on the airport to make it look a bit fuller. Now it's only a green roll of grass and I want to make it more alive. So that is it for this video. That was my own review of my model airport. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there are any things you think I should change, add to my airport, or if there are any things that are good about my airport. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video.